हम
So Skill Up Plus have taken many efforts. So they have given us first the refreshment in the break at 12 noon. So refreshment was very nice. After that we came back after 1 hour. So after that sir taken us a practical session, and in practical session the Skill Up Club has also helped the sir to solve the many problems. Thank Skill Up Club for arranging us such.
My name is Divya Gopal Krishna Kharte. I am second year student from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch. I am here to talk about Flutter workshop, which is organized by PVG Skill Up Club, and this session is conducted by Mr. Anil Sharma. This session is very good. I have learned many things from this session. Mr. Anil Sharma tell about the Flutter.
I am from the first year engineering department of this college of PVGCOE, and today I got to learn about Flutter in this workshop. I recently heard about the workshop like 3 to 4 days ago, and I actually knew something about Flutter, like how it works and all that.
Myself, Kalpana Singh from second year computer branch. I am here to give a brief of workshop which is on Flutter, which is organized by PVG's Skill Club, and the speaker is Anil Sharma. And in this workshop we get to know about how Flutter works, how Flutter is applications in different
Skill Up Club. It was nice session on Flutter. I really appreciate the Skill Up Club for organize such a good or such excellent session for us. It's really helpful for me for learning.